Raymo.
Keep going southwest, guys. Patay si Limro.
Patay si Raymo. Nag-engage
Ba't
si
kayo
Raymo.
nandyan? Alam nyo nagso-solo engage yan. Punta kayo sa akin kung wala kang defensive, mga tanga.
Dito, red pink key bomb.
Come southwest.
Pushing in sila sa'yo sa galing northeast.
7.3 brimstone bomb. East side.
Alam yung permacaller eh, kitang-kita kayo eh. Tatlo na agad namatay, mga bobo.
Leo.
Patay din si Liu.
Patay
Yung
na.
beetle natin, yung beetle natin.
Ako yan.
Si Leos.
Come northeast. Hold. Ready defend. Hold, spread, guys. Spread. Walk into them. Walk into them. Keep walking into them. Pop your boots now. Keep popping your boots. Okay, everything on my count, ready. Deep northeast. 5, 4, 3, 2, deep northeast now. Nice, and spread now. Spread. Come back southwest. Def. Oh, walk into them again. Q's and W's inside. CC them. Guys, def. Okay, spread. Hold. Just hold. Come back southwest. Wait. Hold now. Come southwest. Okay, come southeast now. Come east now. Defend ready, okay? Defend ready. They're looking. Spread. D-Tank, go inside of them. All of my D-Tanks go inside of them. Wait. Don't go to the choke. Wait. Defend. Okay, go inside of them. South on me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now south now. Nice one. And keep going southeast. Wag niyo pa open. Ay, na-open na. Okay, hold. Yo, Q's and W's inside. Kill Sarbi. Okay, come back. Defend ready. Heal front. Potion. Oh, no. Nice one. Pa-heal front, please. Come northwest.
They have
told you,
two
heal
bomb
front.
squads. They have two bomb squads.
Come northwest, okay.
Dream Edge, Energy Shaper. Two bomb
Hold.
squads.
Mangkach ka. Hold. Guys, heal front. Don't get scared. Broco boys, why are you on the northwest side? Heal front. Wait. Ilan di na sila?
Uy! Huwag na kayo mag-loot!
13.
Inuna pa yung...
Oy, chariot! Go front! Defensive ka! Okay, they're looking. Careful.
North,
No. Careful sa... Careful
They're
sa...
looking.
Okay. Please get ready. Wait. Just wait.
Take lang yan.
Uy, meron nagpupunta sa northeast ha. Malabas.
Sige lang. Binobro
Bam.
Shaper.
Another bomb.
Pwede mo catch yung HOJ, pwede mo catch yan. Catch ka isa. South is ready.
20 seconds.
Wait.
Ching up sila.
Wait. Go northwest. Sabihin mo pag ready ka, catch ka ng isa.
Sige, copy boss.
Careful D-Tanks, mag-engage na tong mga to. Careful D-Tanks, mag-engage na to. Masyusalo na to.
Wait.
Engaging
sila kaya?
Sige lang. Yung pinaka-south.
Bomb south
Wait.
looking.
Copy.
Wait.
Magka-try na ako boss ah.
Okay. South 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. South now. Go baba. Hill front. Come northwest. Come west.
Careful good southwest, nice.
Come west. Hold.
Bomb south.
Keeper bang.
Bueno, baby, can you wake up?
Inting, doon ka sa wala pulos doon ka sa may shaper. Doon ka tumingin. Nakamark sa akin yan.
Bomb south.
Nakita niyo yung nakamark? Engage na natin yan ready ah. Wait.
Magre-reset ako.
Sige, ako na ikuan si.
Bedrock po.
Magre-reset ako.
Nakasasinod na sila.
Tignan ko ready ka, boss Merga. Wait. After nila mag-engage.
Nakasasinod na sila kay. May engage na ulit sila.
Hey, Brim looking south kay.
Okay lang.
To 7.3 Brim looking south.
Okay. Hold.
Brim. Shaper south.
Boss Mark, ready ka?
Dito tayo yung
Ay,
nakatingin na.
Brim,
Okay, so get ready on this shield, okay? Wait.
Ready, go, go, go.
Wait lang. Kayo mag-engage pa sila. Ignore na ako.
Namo kaya sa sinod.
Ready the front, okay? Wait. Wait, tamams! No! Don't do that! The fuck? That's why we don't have defensive when they engage.
Magpa-front na ako.
Walang cleric yung isang.
Inching up yung bomb sa sa
Yeah.
west side.
Sige lang.
Careful.
Pwede ka
south
mag-
looking.
Pwede ata ka mag-dip key? Kaya?
Ayaw. Kaya never drop. Wait lang. Magkamali raman na sila. Yo, okay, on this guy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everything this guy. Back.
Careful west, careful southwest. Bomb
Back
shot.
now. Duck.
Bam.
Bomb southwest.
Okay, na-stop ko.
Nice.
Stop na mistake isa.
Careful ah.
Hold guys, hold on. Guys, deep southwest on the gate, get ready, okay? And help us get back. Wait.
We're doing guys ha.
Just hold guys, Go back on northwest.
Careful litang stay with shallow.
Hold.
Careful ah, inching up.
That's a fake.
Yung fake daw si Capre, ang main engage
Coach,
nila si
hindi mo to i-catch yung ano, pre, bedrock, engage natin. Wait. 3, 2, 1, no, kill ba, go back, too slow guys, too slow.
Stop yung bomb.
Ang bagal nyo, pre.
Ready na yung Hodge.
Bam.
Chariot, dito ko banda.
Shaper.
Chariot, dito ko banda.
Defend.
Uy, Chariot, dito ko banda. Sa inikutan ko, diyan ka banda.
Uy, ano, yung HOJ, wait ka muna, pre. Kanina ka pa hinihintay na cooldown, guy. Di tayo magkasabay.
Hindi call out. Inching up, engaging.
Southeast, counter, get ready. Wait. Meron pa silang isang engage. Wait.
Hindi sila
Wait.
patuloy na engage, pero malang yan.
Okay, kakounterin natin to ha. Southeast, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, Southeast. Deep. Come back northwest. Come back northwest. Nice one.
Remount. Chariot.
Energy
Remount.
Shipper.
Guys, come west. Come southwest.
Dito
Ah,
ang
back
slowest.
check.
Southwest.
Buff check AFK. Dito, buff check AFK dito.
Okay na, snacks.
Careful, nag-shallow sa akin. Nag-engage sila sa akin.
Full engage sila, nag-assassinate agad.
Sa akin sila gigil ngayon ah.
Nag-assassinate sila.
Yo, engaging west. Ah, that's a
Uy,
fake.
Jeff Tank, unahan.
It's spike.
Bam.
Bomb west.
Shipper.
Uy, kill si snacks. Snacks, wala ba snacks? Kaya ako mag-to snacks.
Yo,
I-out.
Bam.
Brim, careful brim.
Ayun, okay
Wala
na.
na.
Wala na, good start.
Engaging, careful.
Hey, Southeast, 5,
Looking defense.
3, everything on the gate. Shallow. Ito. Come back northwest. Ito, patayin niya, no?
Mag-kidnap.
Kidnap.
wala akong
Kidnap him.
Nice.
Tell me cooldown.
Mag-reset ako. Mag-reset ako.
Holding sila sa gate.
invite si Snacks balik eh.
Join snacks dyan.
Diyan lang.
Guys, northwest ready. Wait.
Yung mga BAM nila nag-reposition na mag-engage dyan sa ano, sa clap nila.
Guys, come northeast na, come northeast na, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Come northeast, come northeast. DPS, okay, DPS. Angelica, huwag kang AFK. Guys, come northeast, come northeast, come northeast. Okay, careful, front. Leo, ayaw, pag inuna na, Leo kay Castle na, pwede ka engage dyan diretso. Come southwest.
Godslave.
Southwest.
Godslave.
West side, ready? 5. Wait, step up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep now. Kill this guy. Finish the kill. Patayin yan. Huwag niyo patakasin yan. Come northeast. Saan yung bloodletter ko? Come back northeast. Namatay? Come back northeast. Okay, hold. Clear the guards. Kiss and W's. Wait.
Naman yan.
Mag-engage yan sa wall, mag-engage yan sa north, sa chest. Ready defense.
Brim.
Bobo mag-brim.
Boss, bukas na yung gate lahat pala.
Brim mong gagaling sa
Sige
chest na. Ang nila mong
Godslave,
gagaling
wag kang-
lagi.
Godslave, you're a tank, bro. At you back. At the back, bro.
Guys, Q's and W's inside. Engage nga natin tong guards dito.
Stacking sila sa southwest mo.
Okay.
They're going out. They're moving out.
They're going out.
Okay, come northwest. Tumatakbo sila.
Demounting.
May sumusunod na. Lumabas sila. Nag-south sila ng castle.
Tumatakbo na.
Oo. Hindi pa sila lumalabas totally.
Hello, si Misty.
Yung mga kasama mo nandito.
Nandito sila.
Na-trap.
Ba't kayo na-trap dyan, gago?
Ina.
Dito sila boss,
Kasi
tumatakbo na.
Ingat bomb northeast.
Mamamatay kayong dalawa. Di ko alam ba't kayo nag-click ng
Ba't
gate.
kayo nandyan?
Nag-click ng gate. I-push nyo. Go south.
Ang ina nyo, nakakahiya kayo, pre.
Yan. Dalawa yan. Mystifying and John Globe. John 31.
Pakatch yung GA nila. Northwest. Pakatch kayo na i-catch. Nakakahiya kayo, pre, legit. Come Northwest, 5. Catch. 4. Catch him.
Asod, nakamatap.
Tang ina, pre, ano pinagagawa nyo? Come back. Nakakahiya kayo. Sama ng party na to. First engage, si Raven namatay. Healer nasa front. Gago. Si Manchapay. Walang rigger yung namatay na first engage, ha. Tang ina. Nanta-trip na naman kayo.
Ba't may gate?
Come Northwest.
Gagi, wag kayo kasi kampante. Porque tumakbo sila, nag-click na kayo ng gate.
Why did you stand in the front? You know we're playing castle.